Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure with a dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Crispy Cumin Potato Bites. Are you ready to embark on this flavorful journey? Let's not waste a moment. Let's start cooking. Our first step is to give those potatoes a good wash. Then, with a deft hand, slice them into delectable pieces and add them in a bowl that can handle heat. Now, it's time to transform these humble spuds. Let the electric rice cooker work its magic, steaming these potato slices for a mere 15 minutes. But wait, here comes the fun part. We're infusing these potato slices with a mouth-watering blend of salt, cornstarch, and cooking oil. Give them a gentle mash with your hands, turning them into a creamy canvas of flavor. But we are not stopping there. Let's roll up our sleeves and craft small delectable potato balls from this creamy mixture. These little potato marvels are destined for greatness. Nestled onto the air fryer tray, they're about to go on a 400-degree Fahrenheit adventure for 20 minutes, emerging as crispy bites of perfection. But we're not done sprinkling magic yet. A dash of cumin powder and chili powder, and these bites are truly irresistible. And there you have it, folks. Your plate is now adorned with the fantastic crispy cumin potato bites. Try this recipe and drop a comment to let me know how it turned out. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey, and until next time, happy cooking!